Hi guys. Let's see how to enable fast startup in Windows 10 to make PC boot quicker. Your Windows-based computer's boot-up periods might get sluggish over time. The new Windows 10 operating system has a feature called Fast Startup that can shorten boot times and make it possible to start and open the screen more quickly than with the previous system. When activated, the function merges the shutdown and hibernation procedures to achieve quicker boot rates. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to activate it if your Windows 10 computer's startup time is taking longer than usual. Open the Settings app on your computer and in there, click on Power and Sleep. Or right-click on Battery and select Power Options. In there, click the Choose what the power button does option. You will find this in the left side navigation pane. After that, click the Change Settings that are currently available option. Under the Shutdown Settings section, check the Turn on Fast Startup option. Once you have followed all these steps, the next time you start your computer, you will notice a faster boot time compared to the earlier boot times. That's it. So if you enjoyed the video, please like, share and comment to the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.